Hey guys, today we are going to be making a coupon book for Mother's Day. So what we're going to do is take one sheet of paper. We're going to be folding, cutting, coloring, and making each of these pages into a coupon that you can give to your mom and she can use sometime in the future. When she needs to use them, you simply tear the page out. Now, we're going to make this whole book using one piece of paper. First thing you do is fold it in half, and then fold it in half again. Make sure you press down firmly to make the crease. Next, we fold it in half again, long ways. Next, I'm going to take my scissors and find any looped parts where the pages are connected and cut right down that fold. This will separate the pages in my book. I've cut the top edges, but now I need to turn the book over and find any that are still connected on the bottom. Now that I've separated all my pages, I have a little book. It's holding together, but barely, so what I want to do is put a little binding on the edge there. Using a very thin strip of paper, I'm going to glue it all around the edge to make that book stay together. Using white glue or a glue stick, first glue the strip down to the top with a little hanging over the edge. Flip that edge over and glue it down, and then fold over and glue the rest. Cut off any extra. Now my book is secured and it won't fall apart. I'm ready to start decorating. Starting off by writing Happy Mother's Day on the cover, I'm now going to put a dashed line along the edge of each page so that they each look like coupons. On each page, I'll write in small letters, "Good for," and then I'll choose something, a chore or a favor or something nice for my mom, and write that down for each coupon. Make sure the things that you choose are things that your mom would appreciate you doing for her. At the end, you can write a sweet little note to your mom. After you've written your coupons, you want to go back and decorate. Now my book is ready. Cleaning the bathroom, folding laundry, a back rub, helping my little sister, doing the dishes, and 30 minutes of quiet time. When my mom's ready to use them, she simply tears the coupon out. And that's our Mother's Day coupon book. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.